It's been a long time. I shouldn't have left you without a dope wig to look at. Yeah. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button. If you are returning, welcome back. For everyone, make sure you click that bell so that you turn on your notifications and you are not missing any of my videos that I post every single week. You guys, I know I have been MIA. It's been super busy with filming and just running a production company and all of that good stuff, but I am back, and this week's Wig Wednesday, I am done with half wigs, I think.
What's the matter with you?
I know it's crazy that I'm saying that now, but you guys, I found this wig and I think it's like got me wanting to wear full wigs again. This week's Wig Wednesday will be featuring the Freetress equal 5-inch lace part Valentino wig. Ooh. I have been waiting to do this video. I absolutely love this wig. Say it with me. I love this wig so much that I ordered another color. I'm really excited because you guys know that I don't really venture out too much as far as, like, you know, getting the snazzy PB, all the number of colors. But I couldn't resist. I saw the color that I really loved on YouTube, so I'm hoping that it'll look good with me. Now, let's talk about this Valentino wig. So this is the color number 2. I love this wig so much that I actually went and ordered the golden color, but once it arrived, y'all, I looked like the lion from The Wizard of Oz. Like, it was not cute at all for me. So that one was a fail for me, but I'm really hoping that the color that I ordered, which is PB 530, that one will be coming to me soon, and once it arrives, I will be posting pictures on my Instagram, so make sure you go check out my Instagram. Make sure you're following me on Instagram so you do not miss that look. Okay, so Miss Valentino color number 2 is curling iron safe up to 400 degrees. I guess maybe if you wear it a lot, you may need to bump the curls back in, but I really love the body wave curls that it already has. It is available in multiple different colors, including your typical 1, 1B, 2, and 4. And then the stock card model, she's wearing FF Cream. Cream was really pretty too, but I just feel like for my skin tone, I'm not trying to go too blonde. And that's why I didn't really care for the FF Gold Brown, because it was actually a little too light for me. So I'm really excited about PB 530 because it's kind of gonna look like, I think it's gonna be like a 1 or a 1B with some really cute highlights underneath. On the inside of the stock card, as always, you have your hair care instructions. It looks like you can wash this hair in lukewarm water and a synthetic wig shampoo. Actually, to be honest with you guys, the way I care for my wigs, and again, don't come for me in the comments because what works for me may not work for you, but I actually use Pureology conditioner and shampoo. I love that conditioner and shampoo. I use it on my natural hair and it works great for my synthetic wigs. So I don't really use like the downy or the fabric softeners or anything. I keep it simple and just wash my wigs just like I wash my hair. Obviously taking really good care of my wigs, but again, what works for me may not work for you, but I'm saying that for me, it has been safe and fine for me to wash my wigs with my Pureology shampoo and conditioner. Okay, so other pros about this wig, no tangling. I had experienced a little bit of shedding, but then again, my natural hair sheds, so it's not a big deal. This wig is actually supposed to be worn as a middle part, but you can wear it as a side part, as you can see, and you will also see in the versatility showcase how I wore it with a middle part as well as with the side part. I honestly didn't think that I had the right shape of head, or I didn't think that I would look right with a middle part, so I was really impressed and surprised that this wig actually looked really nice on me with a middle part. Other pros, it's just really lightweight. It feels like a yucky texture. It's not too shiny. Some people did say they experienced some shine with this wig, but for me, I didn't think anything of it. But I did use like a tiny bit of baby powder, but honestly, I don't see what baby powder really does. Like, I didn't really notice a difference, honestly. So if you feel like this wig looks shiny, leave me a comment below, but I honestly love the luster and I love how it looks. Major pro for me, and for those of you who hate cutting lace, this wig does not come with any lace to cut. I love that. Some people hate that because they worry about the line of demarcation. However, I used the Topic and it covered it just fine. I feel like you can't even detect it. And then obviously I used like a tiny bit of leave out of my own hair, but other than that, I absolutely love this wig. For cons, I really don't have any cons. I guess the one for you guys who don't like to wear wigs that don't have lace, you will see that line of demarcation. On a scale of 1 to 10, I give the Freetress Equal Valentino wig a 10 across the board. Love it, love it, love it. I literally might buy another color just because I think I need this wig in every single color, honestly. Like, except for like the blondie ones. I think that might be too much for me. But Hot Cocoa is another one that I want to try. PB30 looked really nice, but I'm really excited to see how PB530 is going to look on me. Once again, this was the Freetress Equal 5-inch lace part, flat and laid, hand-tied lace parting wig. If you'd like to see how I styled this wig, keep on watching.